Hello everyone. So in our last interaction, we discussed about career options after class 12 and which school or college will be better for you. What are the challenges you will face in class 11? Then we also talked about we should go for PU college or CBSE college. What are the competitive exams? So basically we covered something which you will have a challenge in class 11 12. After that, what career you have to choose based on your skill sets. So in that seminar, in that webinar, I did not discuss anything about class what we are doing at Sapiens, how we are doing in class 11th and 12th. So I thought to have a recorded session which I'll be circulating you guys to tell you how and what we are doing at Sapiens, who all are teachers, what is the study material we are using, then what are the benefits you will get at Sapiens, what are the strengths, what are our weaknesses. So everything I'm going to elaborate. This will definitely be useful for parents to watch and understand about our approach in class 11th and 12th and for various engineering and medical competitive exam. So starting with the teachers, which is the really a backbone of any course. So our teachers have 15 plus years experience in teaching their plus 2 level and any competitive exam, that is NEET, JEE Mains, Karnataka CET, BITSAT and other engineering entrance exam or medical entrance exam. So more than 15 years of teaching experience, all the subjects for physics, chemistry, maths and biology, we have different faculty who are taking these classes, and these teachers are from the very renowned institute of India. After serving in those institutes, they have joined us at Sapiens, and with coming with the lot many experience, so we have a good team who is working for the benefit of the student. And one more thing which I always emphasize, the dedication of teacher towards student. So the dedication which we give in class 8, 9, 10, that will be followed in class 11th and 12th. Doesn't matter if the teacher is changing, the dedication level will be less. No, not at all. Those who are doing, those who really want to study, they will get very good opportunity to interact with teachers, discuss their doubts, everything with full dedication. Coming back to study material, in our study material, if I'll talk about, we have collected all type of question and all model questions from different study material which are circulated in market. If I'll talk about study material, almost 80% of the questions of all the study materials are same, only the cover page is changing. What we have done it, we have collected multiple study material and picked up handpicked questions from all these study materials and included in our study material, which is Sapiens study, which will be given to you guys. Apart from objective questions, we are also giving you subjective questions bank. So we are not only preparing for any competitive exam, we are also taking care of subjective part, that is your school and board exams. So if I'll say how we teach, we start from the basic, we cover the subjective portion, we extend it to KSET level, NEET level and JEE Mains level. So in every chapter, basically you will be given lot many time to study. And second thing, that if we are going to take, when we are going to take the test, that first test will be subjective test, which will cover your school or board preparation. Apart from that, this level 1 will be KSET level and level 2 will be JEE Mains or NEET, whichever you guys opt. And if you want to write both, you are most welcome to write both. So basically in a chapter we are taking 3-4 tests. Subjective test 1, in objective test the level 1 test, which is Karnataka CET level test, JEE Mains test and NEET test. So basically 4 tests you can give for each chapter, and again definitely after 2, 3, 4 chapters we will combine the chapters and you will that combined chapter test will happen. So this was about study material. Now coming back to the timing, what I believe, till class 10th you had 3 or 4 days you were studying here 2 hours or 3 like 1.5 hour. But in 11th and 12th you will have everyday classes from Monday to Saturday for 3 hours from 5:30 to 8:30. There will be 2 sessions, 1.5 hour each. So it can be physics, chemistry, chemistry, maths, maths, biology, maths, physics, or any combination it will happen. So basically those students who have opted physics, chemistry, mathematics, in a week you will have 18-hour classes, and those who have opted for physics, chemistry, maths and biology, they will have 21.5 hour every week classes. So this is in evening batch you will have it. So next is again the most important thing, the personalized attention. So when I say personalized attention, we have a very small batch size of maximum 25-26 students maximum. We restrict ourselves to this number. So the accessibility of teachers towards student or other way around is very easy. Every teacher knows what a student is doing, whether they are studying or not, or if they are studying, how much they are attentive in class, how much they are interactive in class. This cannot happen with a big batch size like 50 or 60 number of students. So keeping a small batch is important so that a personalized attention is given to all the students, and students is, I mean, teachers are very approachable to any student. If they have doubt, they can come in class and they can ask doubt, or they can, if over online also, they can interact with teacher and discuss their doubts. So the approachability is very, very good. Now coming back to test, as I said, you will be writing subjective and objective tests every week. 3 to 4 tests will be conducted for every chapter, then combined chapter. So overall, if I'll tell, more than 120 tests in a year, like in class 11th, more than 120 tests you are going to write. That is really a big number. So now talking about our result. So our second batch, that is 2021 batch, one of our student cleared JEE Mains. He qualified JEE Mains. His rank was 58,652, and we had a very small batch of 15 students. So out of 15 students, one student cleared JEE Mains. If I'll talk about percentage, definitely it is 6.67%. So, and last year we never had any student who were preparing for NEET, and this guy who cleared JEE, he got a rank of 2452 in Karnataka CET, and finally he got admission in MS Ramaiah in electronics branch. So now this year batch 2021-22 who are going, I mean 12th batch, I'm expecting more students from NEET, because we have NEET student as well as JEE students. So I'm expecting ranks from NEET batch as well as JEE Mains batch. So if I'll talk about the result, this is our result on your screen, what we are doing it. Now the final thing which I want to convey you is that I have done a comparison with Sapiens with other institute. So few factors which I have listed down. If I'll talk about teachers, this feedback was given by one of the student, our student, who went to other institute and came to Sapiens, that the qualification of the teacher at other institute and at Sapiens, when I talking about other institute, those are the top institutes I'm talking about, the qualification of the teacher and the experience of the teacher is at par. It's not less, can be more, but it's not less. And that also, as I mentioned, I have hired teachers from big institutes only. So teachers are at par. Second thing, study material, as I said, it is nothing less than other study material. It is at par to other institutes. When I talk about interactive class hours, better than others. As I mentioned, 18 hours and 21.5 hours. I don't think any institute to this level they are giving, and it is minimum. Telling it's minimum. After that we take tests, multiple doubt clearing session, we take it. So interactive class hours better than others. Number of tests definitely better than others. We take multiple tests. Then subjective exam preparation, Other institute doesn't do it. They don't care about subjective exam because they have to prepare students for competitive exam, so they neglect subjective exam. But here we take care of subjective exam as well, that is their school and board exam. Objective test preparation at par to others, what they are doing we are also doing. Personalized attention, definitely better than others, far better than others. I'll tell you, far better than others, because every teacher know every student, and every student every teachers are very much approachable to students. If I tell about the percentage result, yes, number of result is less, but if you say out of 15 students, one student crack JEE, the percentage increases. Since I have a very small batch size, if I give result, my percentage will definitely be high. But yes, number of results they have in few hundreds, I don't have, because thing is I don't have that many students, and definitely in future I will be having hundreds and hundreds of students. All India rank mock exam, this is the point where we are lagging. And why we are lagging? Because we don't have large number of students. What do you mean by all India rank mock exam? So other institutes, they conduct mock exam and they give result that what's your rank at national level in their institute, because that exam was taken by all the students across India. So definitely they have edge over, I mean we don't have edge over other institute. Batch size definitely better than others, far better than others. And mentorship and counseling, this is the most important thing. If any students feel peer pressure, they are distracted, they are out of track, we take care to put them on track. We discuss them one to one, understand their problem, give the resolution, give some best practices to them so that they can try and get rid of that problem. So a mentorship and a counseling session, we keep doing it, and I'm the person who is taking care of it, besides teachers. So definitely mentorship is one of the key point which I'll tell you, you'll get it at Sapiens. When I said like mock exams we are below par, but what we are doing on this, so I'll tell you, we are in discussion with some of the leading institutes to take their all India mock exams series. So we are under discussion. If it get through it, you will be having all India mock exam as well at Sapiens, so that our students will also join with them and they will write and they will get their rank. So this is what it's under discussion. I'm trying to fill that gap as well, which where we are lagging. So this was all about Sapiens, how we are operating it. Now if you have any question, you can very freely ask me, you can connect me. I will give my number in the description box, so you can connect me over WhatsApp or over phone. I'll clear all your doubts. Now it's up to you what you want and what you are getting at Sapiens, and you have to decide on that. Thank you very much, and get connected with me if you have any doubt regarding anything. I'll be happy to help you out and give you best solution. Thank you very much.